Forget the crowded cruise ports and packed beach bars. This is Greece, but not the one you've seen on postcards. Over the next 10 days, we'll guide you through secret islands, mountain hamlets, and coastal towns where time slows down and every corner tells a story. Pack light, bring your curiosity, and let's uncover the hidden side of Greece. Day 1 and 2. Start your journey in Nafplio, once the capital of Greece and still its most charming town. Wander cobbled streets lined with neoclassical buildings and sip espresso in the elegant Syntagma Square. Climb the 999 steps to Palamidi Fortress for panoramic sea views. At sunset, stroll along the Arvanisha Promenade. Sea on one side, cliffs on the other. This isn't just a stopover, it's an invitation to slow down. Day 3, Monemvasia. Built into the rock and invisible from the mainland, Monemvasia is Greece's version of a fairy tale. A single causeway leads you to this medieval town carved into a cliff. Inside, no cars, just cobbled alleys, Byzantine churches, and stone homes with flowering terraces. Stay overnight to watch the stone glow gold at sunset. It's like stepping into the pages of ancient legend. Day 4. Next, venture into the Mani, a wild forgotten corner of the Peloponnese. Explore villages like Vatea, with stone towers built to guard feuding families. Swim in hidden coves, visit ancient cave churches, and dine on grilled octopus at a seaside taverna. This is Greece raw and real, where myth and history still echo in the hills. Time to head inland, into the heart of Arcadia. Day 5, Dimitsana. Dimitsana is a mountain village perched above the Lusios Gorge. It's a place of monastic secrets, Ottoman resistance, and restored stone homes turned into cozy inns. Hike the gorge to discover old watermills and clifftop monasteries carved into rock faces. At night, the stars feel close enough to touch. Day 6, Naupaktos. On the Gulf of Corinth lies Naupaktos, a seaside town wrapped in medieval walls and Venetian towers. The harbor is one of the prettiest in Greece, and the beaches are uncrowded even in summer. Wander up to the hilltop castle and take in the view. Olive trees, rooftops, and sea stretching into silence. It's low-key, local, and irresistibly photogenic. Day 7, Galaxidi. Just an hour from Delphi, Galaxidi is the kind of place locals want to keep secret. This nautical town was once home to wealthy sea captains. Now it's perfect for long lunches by the water and slow sunset strolls. No big resorts, no souvenir shops, just salty breezes and the clink of wine glasses. Day 8, Naxos. Forget Mykonos. Naxos is bigger, greener, and far less crowded. Explore hilltop villages like Aperantos, where marble-paved lanes lead to secret cafes. Hike to ancient temples, relax on wide beaches, and feast on local cheese and citrus liqueur. Rent a scooter, take the back roads, and discover your own private piece of paradise. Next up is Amorgos. Amorgos is dramatic, wild, and completely off the radar. It's the kind of island where donkeys outnumber tourists. Visit the gravity-defying Hozoviotissa monastery, clinging to the cliffs. Swim in the same cove that starred in The Big Blue. There are no cruise ships here, just raw nature and timeless calm. Before heading home, spend your last day in Athens, but skip the tour buses. Wander the Anaphiotica neighborhood, built like a Cycladic island in the shadow of the Acropolis. Have brunch in Syri, browse vintage markets, and toast your journey with an ouzo at sunset. This is Athens at human scale, graceful and unforgettable. Greece is more than a destination, it's a feeling, and the deeper you go, the richer it gets. This 10-day adventure is just a taste of what lies beyond the travel brochures. Want more hidden gems? Subscribe to Globe Hopper Travel and see the world differently.